The project is focused on advancing the role of indigenous peoples and the local communities to ensure that they are part of managing the Aklan River Watershed Forest Reserve, ensure that they are involved and a part of the conversation since everybody has a stake in the ecosystem benefits from our watershed. We already had a series of trainings in place, and we are slowly, hopefully, opening the minds of everybody that no one should be left behind. Also, we want to not only to include them in trainings, capacity building, we learn from them as well. That's why we also did research on indigenous knowledge and their social practices. We just want to find out together how we will manage it better. Women generally are placed in high regard in the society in the Philippines. However, in formal platforms, like for example, management boards or what management councils, generally those are elected officials, and a lower percentage of the women put themselves as a candidate because women are not elected, they cannot but be part of that board. Decision making about watersheds, about the forest are made there. So, for example, putting up a facility that will remove the access of women to water, they should be part of that conversation because they are a major user of that water for their household. So those are the things that we need to consider and we need to consult with women. So their rights and their access to this to these natural resources should not be ignored.